Hi everyone, my name is Tashfiq Hossain, and back in May of 2023, I sat for my English Language B exams. And by studying under Naimur sir, I ended up with a grade 9. After that, I've been working under Naimur sir, and I've helped 3 cohorts of students also get their grade 9s. And this will be my guide on how you can also get a grade 9 in your English Language B exams. Come on, walk with me. So, I think we should talk about our revision tips in sections. For section A, for question 1, 2, 4, and 5, you don't really need to revise anything. It'll be done with your mock exams. For questions 3 and 6, I suggest that you study up your literary and structural devices and you learn their inferences. You learn what they mean, you learn how to find them. And of course, it's always good to practice writing all of the different kinds of answers, such as the writer persuades, the writer describes, and the writer informs. For question 7, it's always important to practice your craft analysis and also practice some specific points for about 2 or 3 questions. And now, moving on, I think for section B, the most important thing is to read a lot of good articles and also write some good articles. Get feedback from your teachers and your whoever checks your mock copies, whoever takes your tests. Feedback is the most important. You will figure out where you are going wrong. You can figure out if you are improving or at all. And for section C, the most important thing that you will be doing is you will be doing 2 types of revision. One is skill revision and one is time revision. For your skill revision, I suggest you take as long as you need, but make sure you use everything that will guarantee you a high mark. Try using your ambitious words, your ambitious sentence structures, all of the grammatical features, all of the punctuation marks, and use them all and write a perfect essay. Take as long as you need. It doesn't matter. So that way you can polish up all of your skills. But for your time, I suggest limiting yourself to only about 30 minutes and trying to finish an essay in those 30 minutes. That way, by combining these 2 techniques, you can be both fast and skilled. This also goes for section B, whether you're writing a speech, an article, or a letter. It's good to first do it quick and then do it right, so that on the day of the exam, you can do it both quick and right. And the final thing is to take all of this together and solve a few English papers, do them well, and then solve a few English papers, do them quick. Your target should be around 2.5 hours to complete the entire paper, so that you get 30 minutes for your revision. But in an actual test, you won't actually get 30 minutes, obviously, but still, it's a good aim. And that's about it for my revision tips. If you want to know about how you can revise these topics, of course, I can make another video about that. Just leave your interest in the comments, and I'll see and act accordingly. Good luck on your exams. May you all get a grade 9. Goodbye.